Hey everyone, Luke from Placester here. Let me be the first one to say, welcome to our platform. We are very happy that you've trusted us and you want to build your brand with Placester. In this short video, I will show you how to use our service platform so you can request any changes to your website and you can be in touch with our creative team. Let's jump right in. To set up your new password and log in to Placester account, use the link included in this email. After you log in, you will see the dashboard. I will explain all the tabs in a minute, but first let's focus on the most important thing here, your website preview. Click the link and you can see it as full scale as it is for this moment. This is the same website that we created for your demo call. There is an edit site button, but you don't have to touch it. We will apply all changes that you request and take care of the site's maintenance, so you don't have to go into technical details. The essential part of Placester experience is the communication between you and our outstanding creative assistants. Let me show you where the magic happens. Here you can see my requests. All necessary details are here. The status of this task and which assistant will take care of it. We work as a team, so to make sure all requests are delivered as fast as possible, each time you make a request, it may be assigned to a different expert. After clicking the task, you can see the conversation history. This is the place where you can talk to your CA and share your ideas. You can also drop files, like I did here. If you want to go through this process step by step on a one-on-one meeting, you can schedule a call by clicking the link in the card or description of this video. That's it! As you can see, our approach is very intuitive and you don't have to do a thing to enjoy your beautiful website. Now, what I want you to do is log in and talk to us. Share your ideas with our creative team and we will make them happen. Thanks for watching.